Welcome to Fisherman's Bastion in Budapest, Hungary, where history and breathtaking views come together. Explore the majestic architecture and enjoy the panoramic vistas of this iconic landmark. Your adventure begins here. I'm here to provide you with an informative tour of this historic and breathtaking site. Fisherman's Bastion, also known as Hálás Bastia in Hungarian, is located on the Buda side of the Danube River, just across from the Hungarian Parliament Building. It's a must-visit attraction for anyone exploring Budapest, offering a unique blend of history, architecture, and panoramic views of the city. As you approach Fisherman's Bastion, you'll notice its fairy tale-like architecture, which resembles a medieval fortress with its white stone walls, towers, and turrets. This unique design was created at the end of the 19th century to celebrate the 1000th anniversary of Hungary's foundation. The name, Fisherman's Bastion, comes from the medieval fishermen's guild that was responsible for defending this stretch of the city walls. The bastion was never used for defensive purposes but was instead designed to serve as a lookout and a panoramic terrace. Now, let's explore some of the key features of Fisherman's Bastion. The structure consists of 7 towers, each symbolizing one of the 7 Hungarian tribes that founded the nation. The towers are connected by graceful, sweeping arcades that provide fantastic viewpoints for visitors. Don't forget to take in the stunning views from the bastion's terraces. You'll be treated to a magnificent panorama of Budapest, with the Danube River winding through the city, the iconic Parliament Building, and the chain bridge stretching across the water. Fisherman's Bastion also houses the statue of Saint Stephen, the first Hungarian king and the country's patron saint. This statue serves as a reminder of Hungary's Christian heritage. As you explore the bastion, you'll come across charming staircases, balconies, and lookout points, all perfect for capturing memorable photos and taking in the scenic beauty of Budapest. Fisherman's Bastion is particularly enchanting in the evening when it's illuminated, creating a magical atmosphere for a romantic stroll or simply enjoying the city's lights. Before you leave, take some time to visit the nearby Matthias Church, a stunning Gothic masterpiece that's often paired with a visit to Fisherman's Bastion. In conclusion, Fisherman's Bastion is a captivating blend of history, architecture, and panoramic views. It's a symbol of Budapest's rich heritage and a must-visit destination for tourists seeking a taste of Hungary's past and present. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Fisherman's Bastion. We hope you enjoy your visit and create lasting memories in this enchanting part of Budapest. In this audio guide, we will explore the intricate details and fascinating features found within the bastion. As you enter Fisherman's Bastion, you'll immediately notice the unique design of the structure. The bastion is a remarkable example of Neo-Gothic and Neo-Romanesque architecture. The white stone walls, decorative motifs, and graceful archways all contribute to its fairy tale-like appearance. One of the most distinctive features of Fisherman's Bastion is its 7 slender towers. Each tower represents one of the 7 Hungarian tribes that founded the nation more than 1,000 years ago. The towers are not only symbolic but also serve as lookout points, offering different perspectives of Budapest's breathtaking scenery. The bastion's towers are connected by beautiful arcades, which provide shelter from the elements while allowing visitors to enjoy the panoramic views of the city. These arcades are adorned with ornate details, including intricate stonework and delicate iron railings. While exploring the bastion, take a moment to admire the statues and reliefs that adorn its walls. One notable sculpture is the equestrian statue of King Stephen I, Hungary's first Christian king and patron saint. This statue commemorates Hungary's conversion to Christianity and is an important symbol of the country's religious heritage. As you ascend the staircases within Fisherman's Bastion, pay attention to the decorative elements that enhance the experience. The handcrafted balustrades, stone carvings, and stained glass windows contribute to the overall charm of the site. Near the center of the bastion, you'll find a small chapel known as the Chapel of Our Lady. This charming chapel features a beautiful altar and stained glass windows depicting scenes from Hungarian history. It is a tranquil place for reflection and offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city below. One of the most beloved aspects of Fisherman's Bastion is the opportunity to enjoy breathtaking views of Budapest. From the terraces and balconies, you can see the majestic Danube River winding through the city, the Hungarian Parliament Building, and the iconic chain bridge. Fisherman's Bastion is not just a daytime attraction. In the evening, the Bastion is illuminated, creating a romantic and magical ambiance. The soft glow of the lights adds an extra layer of enchantment to this already captivating sight. Before you conclude your visit, take some time to relax at the charming cafe within Fisherman's Bastion. You can savor a cup of Hungarian coffee or enjoy a delicious pastry while taking in the views and reflecting on the beauty of this historic place. In summary, Fisherman's Bastion is a treasure trove of architectural details, symbolic elements, and breathtaking views. It's a place where history and beauty converge, offering visitors a glimpse into Hungary's rich heritage. We hope you've enjoyed this audio guide and that your visit to Fisherman's Bastion in Budapest is filled with wonder and appreciation for the remarkable details that make this place so special. Don't miss next trip. Subscribe to Xtreme Collection S.